Welcome to AdTech Explained, the series where we break down complex advertising topics into simple, practical insights. Today, we're looking at agentic advertising, what it means, why more people in ad tech are talking about it, and why it could change how campaign work gets done. So what is agentic advertising? At a simple level, it is the next stage of how AI is used in advertising workflows. Instead of only helping with content, summaries, or recommendations, agentic AI helps move work forward. That can include reviewing campaign inputs, pulling together relevant data, suggesting audience strategies, preparing reports, and triggering approved actions inside connected tools and platforms. That distinction matters. Traditional automation follows fixed rules. Generative AI helps create or explain things. Agentic AI goes a step further by helping teams make decisions and take action inside real workflows. And that matters now because most advertising teams do not really have a dashboard problem. They have a workflow problem. A lot of campaign work still happens across too many systems, too many handoffs, and too much manual coordination. There are briefs, spreadsheets, emails, platform checks, reporting requests, and constant back and forth between teams and clients. Agentic workflows are relevant because they can help reduce that friction and move work from input to action faster. For agencies and programmatic teams, that is a big deal. There is already pressure to deliver faster turnarounds, more customization, more reporting, and better performance, often with limited time and resources. Now, one of the biggest misunderstandings is the fear that this means AI replaces teams. But that is not the point. Agentic advertising is not about removing planners, strategists, or traders. It is about giving them operational support inside the process. AI agents can work within clear rules, approved tools, and defined boundaries, while people stay in control of strategy, judgment, and accountability. In practice, the most useful applications are often the practical ones: organizing campaign inputs, surfacing recommendations, speeding up reporting, and reducing repetitive platform work. So what makes this possible? AI agents need more than language skills. They need structured and secure access to the right tools, data, and actions. If an AI system cannot connect to a workflow, it remains a chatbot. If it can work with the right systems and context, it becomes far more useful operationally. The article also notes that integration layers such as MCP servers can help enable this connection. One area where this matters especially is audience strategy. Audience strategy sits at the center of campaign planning, but it is often slowed down by vague briefs, repeated revisions, manual taxonomy work, and too much switching between tools. Agentic workflows can help make that process more connected and efficient. This is also where on-audience fits into the shift. Before AI became a major trend across advertising, on-audience had already started developing AI audiences, a tool designed to help agencies, media planners, and programmatic traders create custom audience segments from a brief in seconds and move faster toward activation. Now, as the market moves toward agentic advertising, on-audience is adapting its systems to work more naturally with the AI agents clients use in their own environments. Over time, the goal is to make the same actions available in the panel today accessible through agent-based workflows as well. So, is agentic advertising already here? Yes, but not evenly. The market is still early, and definitions and standards are still evolving. Not every company is moving at the same pace, but the direction is becoming clearer. AI is shifting from being mainly a content tool to becoming part of the workflow itself. And that may be the bigger shift in ad tech. For years, advertising technology has focused on dashboards, interfaces, and manual optimization. The next phase may look different, with more work happening through connected, AI-supported workflows where agents help gather context, connect tools, and trigger approved actions across the process. That is the bigger meaning behind agentic advertising. This was AdTech Explained, making complex ad tech simpler, one topic at a time. If you're looking for more ad tech insights, visit the onaudience.com blog. See you in the next episode.